Did you ever lose your seed phrase of crypto, or you are having a cup of tea or glass next to your seed phrase and you by mistake poured it on your seed phrase? So let's talk about a product by the name CryptoSteel, and let's see why this product is important for you. Let's unbox it and have a look. Shout out to CryptoSteel for sending this product. So let's open the product now. You can see over here it mentions mother of all backups. This one is basically a stainless steel, and it has very high, up to 1450 or around 1400 Celsius burning temperature. So let's unbox it. Its design is also very nice, and if you're in the open area also, nobody can easily see it from a camera or something. So let's open it. It's a very heavy device. Looks small, but it is quite heavy. It does have already engraved alphabets on it, a nice sticker hello, and it's a nice chart to show you how to put your seed phrase into it. You can put 12 or 24 seed phrase onto this. You can use it for multi-signature, and you can use it for Shamir passwords as well. If you are having a 12-word seed phrase, you can put full words, and after completing one word you can put a spacer. And if you're having 24 words, put the first 4 letter styles. This is a fastener. Make sure once you put all your seed phrase to put a fastener on top, so that if you turn it around the other way, it will not be loose. You can see over here it is already engraved with alphabets on both sides, one in capital letter and the other side the small letters. Let's say you have a letter happy, and if you're using 12-word seed phrase, just put the full letter, and if you're using 24, you put just the first 4 letters, and then put a spacer, and then you put the other letter. That's a spacer. Its build quality is very nice, and there is no design marking on it, so a normal person will not be able to know what it is exactly. And once you open it, so this is a nice reminder to put the fastener on it once you open it. There's an affiliate link down in the description if you like to support the channel. So this device cost around 79 euro at the time of making this video. So if he or she is a long-term investor and they plan to keep their crypto for long term, then definitely this device is worth it. There's an affiliate link down in the description. If you like to support the channel, you can click on that link and buy from there. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.